The companions of the Prophet, PBUH, used to tell him their dreams that Laylatul Qadr was on the 27th of the month of Ramadan. The Prophet said, "I see that your dreams agree on the last 10 nights of Ramadan, and so whoever is in search of it should seek it in the last 10 nights of Ramadan." Narrated, Aisha. The people used to fast on Ashura, the 10th day of the month of Muharram, before the fasting of Ramadan was made obligatory. And on that day the Kaaba used to be covered with a cover. When Allah made the fasting of the month of Ramadan compulsory, Allah's apostle said, "Whoever wishes to fast on the day of Ashura may do so, and whoever wishes to leave it can do so." Narrated Atta. I heard Ibn Abbas saying, Allah's apostle asked an Ansari woman, Ibn Abbas named her, but Atta forgot her name, "What prevented you from performing Hajj with us?" She replied, "We have a camel, and the father of so-and-so and his son, i.e. her husband and her son, rode it and left one camel for us to use for irrigation." He said to her, "Perform Umrah when Ramadan comes, for Umrah in Ramadan is equal to Hajj in reward," or said something similar. Narrated, Aisha. The tribe of Quraysh used to fast on the day of Ashura in the pre-Islamic period, and then Allah's apostle ordered Muslims to fast on it till the fasting in the month of Ramadan was prescribed. Whereupon the Prophet said, "He who wants to fast on Ashura may fast, and he who does not want to fast may not fast." Narrated Abu Huraira. Allah's apostle said, "When Ramadan begins, the gates of paradise are opened." Narrated Abu Huraira. Allah's apostle said, "When the month of Ramadan starts, the gates of the heaven are opened, and the gates of hell are closed, and the devils are chained."